Hello Norway, and welcome back to Lapid Box. First, a very quick reminder about the concept. Lapid Box is not a big company, it is something much simpler, actually. It's one, sometimes two, authentic French artisanal products delivered to you in a small box every month. The best of the best I can find in taste and craftsmanship. For around 250 kroner, it's a small and affordable gift to yourself or to offer to the people you love. A small, tasty escape from the day-to-day routine. In terms of organization, it's not a big brand, it's just me, the French guy, who loves good food and wants to share it with you. But I'm talking and talking, so let's open the box of the month instead. This month's product is le Grillon Charentais from the artisanal French company Maison Marthe. As you can see it's a traditional charcuterie specialty from the Charente Edition in the west of France. It's made from slowly cooked pork, gently shredded, seasoned and preserved in its own juices. The result is something really rustic, very authentic and very typical of traditional French gastronomy. But for me, La Petite Box is not only about the product, it's about the story behind the product. Who makes it? Why do they make it? What's their philosophy? So for this edition, I had the chance to interview Simon, the director of Maison Marthe, the artisanal French conservery who made this product. I wanted him to share a maximum of information about them. So now, here is an interview recorded a few days ago.
Hi Simon, thank you for being here today with us.
Hello Seb, nice to meet you, nice to be with you.
Well, first, could you maybe introduce yourself and Maison Marthe, maybe?
Yes, of course. So basically we are located on the Atlantic coast of France. So if I turn around, you'll see we are located in a small fishing harbor, so it's not that big. It's around 100 boats, but the fishing here it's very local, small boats, daily fishing. So it's very influenced by the ocean. So we are geographically we are north of Bordeaux. Bordeaux is the wine and so on. We are close to Bordeaux and Cognac, and on an island. So basically. We have a bridge, and in summer we have many tourists that come to visit us. Nice and long beaches, nice forest as well. So this is a bit of our setting. And the company I created 12 years ago is a cannery. So we can not only charcuterie, French charcuterie, and we can as well fishes, and we do desserts. So we do salty products and as well desserts. So we are a small company. So I have 8 employees. During the year, we work together. So we produce cans. So rillettes, pâté, like we are going to discuss, and we do this all year long. We sell all across France and across Europe, thanks to you now, and outside Europe as well. But we are still a small company committed to high-end quality. We have been working with Meilleur Ouvrier de France. It's the highest grade of craftsmanship in France. It's a guy named Jean-Michel. He's around 60 years old, and he has a lot of knowledge. So we have been working with him for 10 years now, and he has been training the team, helping us to make a really good product and consistently, which is which is the most difficult to do when you're a small company like us.
Cool, thank you. And among all the products that you have, where does this fits in?
So Grillon Charentais, Charentais or Charente is the name of our region, of our area. So basically, Charente is the local river. So Charente is a river that comes from central France and goes through different cities. And the most known city is Cognac. Huh? So Grillon Charentais is a local recipe. It's basically a pork rillette, which is very lean. If you look from the top of the jar, you will see there is very little fat, and the really good quality is because we put it by hand inside the jar. It's really it takes a long time to make. So basically, we use pork shoulder and pork chest that we confit into fat with salt, pepper, thyme, garlic. It's really little salt, and we work more on the fresh herbs as on the recipe. And after it cooks for maybe 20 hours, very slowly. And after, in the morning, when we start to make the production, the meat just disintegrate itself easily. So it's done by hand. So we mix the fat, the juice, and the meat by hand, and after we take the jar and we fill it like this. That's why you have such a good visual and a very good balance between meat, complete meat, and fat. It's really not fat. I really hate when it's too fatty, you know.
The same.
So it's a really it's one of our best seller. Grillon Charentais is something that we sell a lot. It's a really, really good product.
Nice. And it seems like you also it's written on the sticker over here that you won some kind of award. Is it?
Yes, we wake up very early in the morning, so it's not to do shitty products. We work really hard. So since I told you, we have been working with very experienced people, and my team is really dedicated to doing very good qualitative products. So the beauty of this, when you work with good people and with good products, is that you win medals.
True. That's true.
It's for me. It's like your ski in Norway. You are very good at this. Me, I'm very good at rillettes.
Yes. yes. That's really great. Actually, really great. And actually, just I can share a bit about that to the people. But you, as a professional, are the owner of this company. How would you eat this for the Norwegian people listening?
It's a very simple product to eat. You can just take a good piece of bread and you just spread it. Usually, I don't use a knife to cut it. I prefer like a fork. So you can dig into the jar, and this way you have the fibers. You see better the fibers. You don't have to really push down the product on the bread. You can put a bit of verticality. You don't have to, but that's how we eat it, And in my area, we have a lot of oysters. So it's the typical way to eat it is with oysters and wine, of course.
Nice. All right. Well, I think most of my questions are answered now. Maybe do you have a final word for the people that's gonna discover your product this month?
Yeah, you'll see it's a really good. I really encourage you to try. It's personally, I really love this product, and you'll see if you like this. We do as well fish products that are really good. So next time maybe you can try it. It's not only the charcuterie, the good charcuterie we make. It's as well the fish products where we don't mix the meat. We just spread it by hand, and it has a lot of chunks, lot of really good ingredients as well. So our region, our location is really influenced by the ocean, but as well by the countryside. We live in a rural area on the ocean. Huh?
Yeah, I've seen actually a lot of products that I will definitely put in the next boxes.
Once you
Very
try,
good,
our
very good
goal,
product.
my goal is to
Yeah.
get you addicted.
Oh yes, well, I'm sure people listening here today will be addicted. I'm really sure of that.
Okay, excellent. Thank you for
Well,
your
thank you.
time, Seb, and
Thank you very much.
thank you for trusting us. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
And we are back. So this is exactly why I created La Petite Box. Not to sell products in huge quantities, but to create a bridge between France and you guys in Norway. It makes this whole experience more personal, more real, and a bit more human too, I guess. Thank you for supporting this small, human, and experimental project of mine. It means a lot to me. And now the next question is, what about the next box? Well, the next box is coming really soon, very, very soon. And just like this one, it will be a limited edition, probably between 30 and 50 boxes max. So if you're not yet on the waitlist, I really recommend you to join it. The link is in the description, because once the boxes are gone, they are gone. So see you very soon for the next Petite Box. Bye!